gonna like where we're going. Oh, but a skirt's not the best attire for this particular activity. So I think we should drop by your house and you can change into jeans.
Okay, you're scaring me.
He's trying to chew the lion's hair off. Fucking idiot.